Hey guys, it's Eric. Check it out, man. A 4-pack of 4-foot LED shop lights. I am going to be building onto the lower barn. We're going to add some more animals, add some more space. That's 2023 summer project, God willing. And I needed some shop lights. So when the fine folks over there at Senior reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in taking a look at these, I said, you betcha, sir. It is, it's the future. LEDs are the way to go. These 4 bulbs use 36 watts combined, and they equal 280 watts of conventional fluorescent tubing. Right above your head here is a fluorescent light that will probably be the first to get replaced, and I'll use the other 3, plus I bought another pack of these at my own cost because, I mean, these are just what the doctor ordered here. They are 4,400 looms. They cost $4.73 a year to operate. They operate at 120 volts, and they are pretty cool, pretty cool. So let's go ahead and open it up, and I'll take a look at them. We'll plug them in, and you can see what you like. And you'll see next summer these getting installed here on the farm. Let's do it. All right, let's go ahead and open these up. They got delayed. My post office, for some reason, they didn't want to deliver them, I guess, because they were too long, so I had to wait a couple days to go pick these up because they were stuck at the post office. I don't know if you ever had that happen before. We do out here in the country. I'll just leave it open. All right, let's just check it out. So it's a 4-pack of these things. And I'm just going to pull out one here for right now. And I'll set this box aside. Check it out. 2 bulbs. So it replaces your regular conventional 4-foot fluorescent lights. And it has a nice cord. Let's see how long these cords are. That's what I'm kind of curious about. All right. And so it looks like we got a 5-foot cord, maybe 4 3/4 foot cord. So nice long cord. And it has its own individual on-off light switch. This I like. So added lights to the new garage over there, or the expansion we did over this past summer, and they have little pull strings. Well, I keep bumping my head into them, so I think I would prefer to have this style here, this little light. Nice. 48-inch. All right, let me plug it in and we'll see how bright this thing is. Up on top here and in the box still is the little chains for this, the mounting chains, but there's hooklets here. So your choices there are you could screw these in. Let me get closer, you can see that. You could screw and slide it over. That's how I have the light that's underneath there, which also one of these might replace, depending on how many I need down at the bottom. That's probably your best way. You're going to get flush mount. You can see how narrow this thing is, so it won't take up a lot of room in your ceiling if you have low ceiling height like the ceilings that I have in the other shed there. All right, let me plug this thing in. Woo! Yeah. There we go. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty bright. You can see how well it's lighting me up when it's up out of camera. And yeah, it's a white light, not a yellowish light. And so light up the shop there, you can see. Yeah, nice. Actually, what I'm really thinking now is that's almost overkill, but boy, it would fit up in there, wouldn't it? Let me back the camera up. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I might just do this. This might even work better. I've got a little 2-foot tube up here. What about that? Boy, is that bright for, doing carb rebuilds and stuff like that. In fact, I think that's sold right there. Yeah, because I can mount the switch right here. There it is, on, off. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? I think that's what I'm going to do. So that adds a ton of brightness here as opposed. Let me turn that off. I'll show you what the 2-foot standard fluorescent tube looks like in comparison. Can hardly tell the thing is on. I mean, yeah. Wow, that's awesome. Well, I'll leave a link. Oops, no. I'll leave a link as to where you can get this. Certainly it's the future. It's not worth getting fluorescent lighting anymore. When I moved in here, I put a few fluorescents up, And I've regretted it ever since because it was kind of obsolete even then. And the cost of tubes has gone way up. So I'm probably going to replace those with these. Use the other 4-pack that I bought at my own cost for down at the lower barn when we do that expansion next year. But I'm happy to have them. They weren't expensive. I mean, like, the cost of a set of tubes for fluorescence were about what this whole unit cost, power pack and all. It's just now, it doesn't make any sense to go with conventional lighting anymore when the cost of these has come down so much. I guess that'll do it for today, my friends. I'm Eric here at Farpoint, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.